Welcome, esteemed participants, to our comprehensive webinar dedicated to mastering the Errante MT4 platform. Today, we embark on a precisely designed journey aimed to not only acquainting you with the foundational aspects of the MT4 platform, but also diving deep into its advanced functionalities to enhance your trading skills. Whether you are taking your first steps in the trading world or looking to refine your technical analysis techniques, today's session is tailored to elevate your trading proficiency. However, before we dive into the heart of today's session, I would like to take a moment to ensure that everyone is settled in comfortably. So, can everyone hear me clearly? And is the video displaying well on your end? Please give a quick confirmation in the chat or a thumbs up so we know everything is set for us to begin this webinar. Very well. So, as you are informed, this webinar is brought to you by Errante, which is an online broker committed to providing top-tier services and building lasting and trusting relationships with clients and partners. As we proceed with today's webinar, I want to remind everyone that the insights and strategies discussed are for educational purposes only. None of the content provided should be taken as investment advice or as trading signals. We are here to learn and explore the financial markets together, so please make sure to do your own research before any trading or investment decision, because as you know, CFD products are really risky. Okay, let's begin with our agenda for today's session, which is tailored to elevate your trading proficiency. Firstly, we will begin with the crucial initial steps installing the MT4 platform directly from the Errante portal. And this segment is designed to ensure you can smoothly set up MT4 on your device, log into your trading account, and adjust the necessary setting to get your platform ready for the trading journey. We aim to provide you with a seamless start and ensuring you are equipped with a fully operational platform. Move forward, we delve into the heart of MT4, exploring its comprehensive modules. This includes a detailed walkthrough of the toolbar, main menu, chart area, market watch, and navigator, and each element of the MT4 interface plays a pivotal role in your trading experience. So our goal is to ensure you can navigate these modules with ease, customize your workspace to fit your trading style, and utilize the plethora of features available at your fingertips. As we progress, the focus shifts to the art and science of conducting technical analysis within MT4, utilizing drawing tools and indicators which are fundamental in identifying trend opportunities and making informed decisions. We will guide you through applying and customizing these tools, understanding indicator signals, and integrating this analysis into your trading strategy effectively in our upcoming webinar for sure. So it's really critical to make sure that you are totally comfortable with all of these tools on your trading platform. Furthermore, we will walk you through the exciting moment of placing your first trade on MT4, from accessing the new order window to understanding the nuances of different order types and managing open trades, which is a pivotal section. It encompasses a practical application of your knowledge, emphasizing risk management and strategic decision making. Then, concluding our session, we will open the floor for a Q&A session. This is your opportunity to seek clarity, ask questions, and engage directly to address any uncertainties or curiosities you may have. Your active participation is encouraged so as it enriches the learning experience for all. In conclusion, as we navigate through these segments, our aim is to equip you with the knowledge, skills, and confidence to utilize the MT4 platform to its fullest potential, enhancing your trading journey. So, as you know, this is our first session about MT4. We try to cover all of the initial steps and also the let's say essential knowledge we need to know about this platform. But we have next week the another webinar about the advanced features of MT4 platform. So if you might see something that we will have not covered in this webinar, don't worry, we're gonna cover fully in our next webinar. So let's embark on this educational adventure together. And I would like to begin with the foundational step of your trading journey with Errante, opening a demo account. A demo account is a trader's best friend, offering a risk-free environment to explore the markets, practice strategies, and familiarize oneself with the MT4 trading platform. So let's walk through this process step by step. Firstly, navigate to the Errante website. Here, you will begin to logging into your portal, and this is your gateway to the vast offerings of Errante, designed to provide a seamless experience right from the start. Your login credentials are your first key to unlock the potential of Forex trading. Upon successful login, direct your attention to the accounts menu. This area is your control panel for managing your trading accounts. The design intuitively guides you through your account management options, ensuring a smooth experience. Next, you will select the type of account you wish to open. Each account type is tailored to different trading styles and level of experience. This decision is crucial as it impacts your trading journey. Consider your objectives, trading style, and risk tolerance when making this choice. After selecting your account type, you will set the leverage, currency, and initial balance. These settings are pivotal. Leverage amplifies your trading capacity, as you know, allowing you to trade larger positions with a smaller capital outlay. However, it also increases risk, hence the importance of making an informed decision. The currency you choose will be the base currency of your account, and the initial balance will simulate your trading capital. You can choose all of these parameters here, and then you just need to click on the continue. Once you click continue button, your credentials will appear, confirming your registration. This moment marks the beginning of your trading simulation journey. Additionally, you will receive an email ensuring you have a record of your account details. Safeguard these credentials as they are the key to accessing your demo account. Following your registration, you will be prompted to download the trading terminal. And when you selected download the terminal, you may see you will be redirected to this page. Here, please ensure you choose the right MT4 for your device, which in this case is Windows. You see, there are many for many different devices, right? Like Android phones, like iOS or MT4 for Mac and MT4 for Windows. So you can just somehow explore across the different trading platforms that they will be the topic of our discussion in our upcoming webinars. However, here right now, we are going for MT4 Windows. This system is about bringing the power of MT4 to your personal computer, bridging your strategic insights with the dynamic world of Forex trading. Finally, install the platform. This process is straightforward, but its significance cannot be overstated. Installing MT4 completes your setup process here, equipping you with a powerful tool for market analysis, trading execution, and strategy testing that we will explore later today. Okay, before we step in MT4, let me remind you something. Ensuring the security of your trading account is paramount in the world of online trading. Errante provides a straightforward process for updating your account passwords, an essential step in maintaining the integrity and safety of your investments. To begin, access the account overview section, and this section is designed to provide a comprehensive view. As you through the account, you can access the accounts overview, and then it's designed to provide a comprehensive view of your accounts, encapsulating their performance, setting, and management options. So here you can choose among your different trading accounts if you have, doesn't matter if it's demo or live. Upon selecting your desired account, you will be directed to a page that serves as a control panel for your trading account. And it's here where the option to change your passwords become available. This functionality is part of a suite of account management features, including the ability to deposit funds, as you see at this corner, and review your trade history. Changing your password is a simple process. Yet, it plays a critical role in securing your account against unauthorized access. Now, let's distinguish between the two types of passwords, as you see here, that you will encounter. First is the investor password, the first one, and also we have the trading platform password. I mean the second one and the first one. The trading password is your primary key to the trading platform. It grants you full access to execute trades, modify orders, and manage your account settings. This password should be guarded closely, as it allows complete control over your trading activities and account modifications. On the other hand, the investor password offers a unique functionality. It provides a read-only access to the trading account, and this means one can view the account's trading activities, analyze performance, and monitor market positions without the ability to make trades or alter any account settings. The investor password is particularly useful for traders who wish to share their trading strategy or account performance with others without compromising their account security. So I guess that was a useful point to know. Okay, let's get back to MT4 platform. Upon running the platform, the terminal login window pops up and you need to enter your credential, as you see here. As you get up on this slide, you will notice two main components: the MT4 login window and the Errante portal account confirmation. Together, they form the bridge between your Errante account and the MT4 trading terminal. So, step one, locate your unique login details. These can be found within the Errante portal. That I put a screenshot of that here. Under the confirmation message for your newly created account, or from the email that you received upon the completion of your registration. So your login is your identifier within the MT4 universe, marking your distinct presence in the financial markets. And then step 2, your password is the key to your trading reel. It's essential to input this with accuracy, ensuring the security and privacy of your trading activities. Remember, this password is your access to managing and executing trades, and thus must be kept confidential. Don't share it with anyone else. And always please try to just click on the copy button here uh, and then paste it here to make sure you're doing this accurately and you're copying the correct password. With your credentials ready, proceed to the MT4 login window. Here you will enter the login details meticulously. Begin by typing in your login number followed by your password, and make sure to select the appropriate server, which is another important factor here. From the drop down menu, which corresponds to the one assigned to your Errante account, and it can be different between different accounts. So you need to make sure that you are choosing the exactly right server as what you got via your email or you got in your portal. After you have entered your login credentials, you have the option to save this information for future sessions by ticking the Save Account Information box. And this can streamline your subsequent logins. However, for security purposes, you may choose to enter your details manually each time. Once all fields are correctly filled, clicking the login button will establish your clicking the login button will establish your connection to the MT4 platform, and this action propels you into the trading interface of MT4, where the world's financial markets await you analysis and engagement. Ensuring your MT4 account is connected to the server is simple. Look at you see here on my screen, just down right corner of my screen. Look at the bottom right corner of the MT4 terminal. You should see bars in green, indicating a good connection, and a small number showing the network latency. If the bars are green, you're ready to trade. If they are red or gray, check your internet connection and server details. A steady connection is vital for seamless trading, so it's important to resolve any connection issues immediately. Okay, let's move on to the next menu. The view menu in MT4 is akin to a control panel, allowing you to tailor the platform's layout to your preferences and needs. Here is a brief overview of its feature. First, you see through the view, you can change the language. MT4 supports multiple languages, ensuring traders across the globe can navigate in their native or preferred language. Then the toolbars, customize the toolbars to display the icons and features you use most frequently for quick access. And then you have the status bar. The status bar at the bottom of the platform provides quick insights into connection status and other important real-time information. You can choose to tick them on or off to make them visible or not. So then you have the symbols. The shortcut is Control+U. This opens the symbols window where you can select which instrument to display in the Market Watch window, allowing you to manage the list of instruments. you trade or monitor. And then also you see you can choose toggle to display of the market watch window, which shows the live prices of your selected financial instruments, or data window. You can see also all of the shortcut keys here next to each module. So data window displays information about the prices, indicators, and expert advisors for the selected chart. And then the navigator, the terminal, the strategy tester, and the charts quick shortcut, Alt plus M, to bring up a bar listing all open charts, making navigation and management of multiple charts more efficient. So you can also maximize the MT4 window using the full screen uh, option you have here down on the list. So this menu personalizes your trading workspace, ensuring that you have all the tools you need at your fingertips. And also it display in a way that suits your trading style. So this is the first thing, so we can control everything from here. But the next one, let's take a look at Market Watch. The Market Watch clock is the first thing to mention, or the trading platform time. Displays the server time, which is typically the time zone where the broker servers are located. This time might differ from the local time of traders and usually reflects the UTC or GMT time zone, or the time zone where the major market exchanges operate, like Eastern Standard Time, which is the broker time of Errante. The server time for Errante is the Eastern Europe time, actually not the Eastern Standard Time, which is for New York, or let's say the North American time, and also the Central European time, which is CET, and Errante's server time is EET, which stands for Eastern European time. So professional traders closely monitor the market watch clock because the timing of their trades can be critical. Many trading strategies are sensitive to the time of day, particularly if they aim to capitalize on market openings in different geographic regions when liquidity and volatility can increase. Moreover, important economic announcements and news releases are usually scheduled according to major market hours. So knowing the server time helps traders prepare for these events. Then let's take a look at the right-click menu within the Market Watch window on MT4. It is a powerhouse of quick functions for market analysis and trade execution. Here is a brief explanation of each feature. Let's talk about the new order from the top to the bottom. Quickly opens the new order window, allowing you to place a trade on the selected symbol with efficiency. And then the charts window and the tick chart and the depth of market, all of these features, let's say, are included in the chart section. And then we have the specification offers details information on trading conditions for the selected instrument that we will discuss it in a few minutes, and we will go through all the details that it includes. And then you can just choose to hide or delete any of these selected trading instruments. And you can choose also to show all the symbols here, or you choose among a list of symbols that the broker is offering. And the thing is that you can make sets save or load sets of symbols to customize the market watch list according to your trading needs. It means you can create your own market watch, and it can be really useful. For example, you can make a list for trading a particular news announcement. For example, maybe you have a setup for, let's say, NFP, as we saw last Friday. It was announced, and you might include, let's say, USD/JPY, DXA, which stands for US dollar index in Errante, and also gold or Euro USD, and across, for example, like Euro JPY. And you can just set them as the instrument you want uh, to have a look on them when you want to trade NFP, for example, news announcement. Or you can set different, for example, major currencies or their cross currencies, and you can create your own watch list and access to them as quickly as possible. So in that case, you can just skip all of these different instruments that you may not, you may don't, you may just easily don't like to see on your market watch. So, okay, so and the next thing is that some features that you can make them visible on your market watch. You see the spread, high and low of the candle, time, auto range, and grid. And I would suggest make sure that you have always a tick of this spread on, because in that case you will be able to just easily sort out which instruments have the lowest cost ever. And then the time didn't having this on is can be very helpful, because let's say, because based on that you can see where when the last price quoted to the market through the server. In that case, you can measure somehow the liquidity of the instrument that you wish to trade, and that would be very helpful during trading. Again, time displays the server time, which can be critical for timing your trades, especially around major economic announcements. And then pop-up prices with the F10 short key brings up a separate window showing dynamic prices in a large, more prominent display for easier viewing. And then this right-click menu is designed for your trading efficiency, ensuring that the most commonly used functions are just a click away. In our exploration of MT4, the contract specification window stands out as a critical resource for every professional trader. That's why we want to discuss it in more details here. This is where you will find the essential details of the trading instrument. In this case, for example, we have the AUDCAD, which stands for Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. Understanding these specifics is fundamental to crafting informed and strategic trades. The window lists spread, digits, and stop level, which together define the precision and entry requirements for your trades. A floating spread indicates that the difference between the bid and ask price can vary, important for determining entry and exit points during volatile market conditions, because in some other brokers you might see they have a fixed spread, so that makes the story totally different. Notice the contract size, a vital factor when calculating the value of a point, peep, or lot in your trading calculations. This, combined with margin currency and margin calculation mode informs you of the collateral required for trade and the potential profit or loss outcome. For example, for major currencies, we have the contract size of 100,000, which stands for one standard lot. But for example, for gold is different. It's almost 100 ounces of gold, and for the oil, is also different. It stands for 1,000 barrels. So knowing this contract size can be really helpful to do all the calculations for your trade. A professional trader scrutinizes the margin hedge and margin percentage to understand the requirements of holding simultaneous long and short positions, which is a nuanced strategy in Forex trading to hedge. So it's really important to consider all of these features before we go into a trade of a particular, let's say, trading instrument. Then the trade section. It provides detail on execution type and GTC mode, ensuring you know how your orders will be executed and how long they will remain active. We have covered most of these features in our different webinars. By the way, let's go through the more nuances. Minimal and maximal volume along with volume step tell you the smallest and largest trade sizes you can place. And the, let's say, increments you can increase your trade size by, critical for position sizing. Then you see swap type. It consists of swap long and swap short. Values are essential for overnight positions, affecting the cost or profit of holding a trade open past the market close. While the 3-day swap specifies a triple swap charge day. And you can see the amount of the swap, which is calculated in points. And also you can see the 3-day swap here is on Wednesdays. So if you keep your position open on Wednesday's night, it means you might be charged for 3 nights swap. And professional traders always includes all of these calculations in their trading strategy before they decide to keep their positions open and wait to hit their, for example, profit targets, or you might close as they see maybe the cost of keeping the position open might be somehow let's say overcome the probable profits. So understanding these details equips you with the knowledge to manage risk effectively, calculate potential costs, and align your trading strategy with the nuances of the specific instrument. So it is this mastery of detail that distinguishes a professional trader from the rest. Now, yep, excuse me. Let me make sure if you can see my slides here. We want to discuss a navigator window, which is your central hub for swift navigation within the MT4 environment. It provides immediate access to your accounts, indicators, expert advisors, and scripts, enabling you to switch seamlessly between different tools and manage multiple accounts with ease. At the very top, you will find the accounts section where your trading accounts are listed. And this allows you to switch between different accounts, such as your real and demo accounts, with a simple double click. So you don't need to exit the platform and then turn back and log in to the different trading account. You just can have all of them here, and you can just double click to watch between them. Beneath the accounts, you have the indicators directory. Here, indicators are sorted into categories like trend and oscillators, helping you organize your analysis tools by their primary function in technical analysis. Trend indicators, for example, are used to identify and follow the market trend, while oscillators are typically employed to find overbought or oversold conditions that I am sure we cover all of these in our technical analysis course, and you can watch them on our website anytime you want. To apply an indicator to a chart, you can simply drag and drop it onto the desired chart, or double click to bring up its properties window, and when you can customize its parameters to fit your analytical style. After adjusting settings like period, color, and levels, let me just bring up my MT4 here. Yep, you see here is my navigator window, and then let's say I want to put MACD in my chart. Easily I can just click the MACD, drag it on the chart area, and you see this setting a window pops up, and then I can just adjust all the features I want, the parameters, for example the fast EMA, slow EMA, MACD, and then I have the access to change the appearances of the indicator, like the color of the main line and the signal line, and also I can determine the different levels for this indicator, and I can choose to visualize this indicator through all the time frames or just in a specific time frame. So, and afterward, if I click the open, see, it appears here very easily. If I zoom in a bit through the bar, you can see, then I can read the indicator here. And always you at the left side on the top of the indicator window, you can see the current let's say value of the indicator. The first one is for the histogram bar, and the second one is for signal line in MACD. So let's get back to our presentation. So as you saw here, you can just customize the indicator and bring them on your charts. So as you see, we have two sections here, the common and the favorite. In the common tab at the bottom of the navigator window, you can manage your list of frequently used indicators or scripts. Streamlining your workflow by keeping your favorite tools readily accessible. Professional traders rely on the navigator window to efficiently manage their trading operations and analytical resources in MT4. It provides a quick way to apply and customize the array of indicators that form the backbone of technical analysis strategies. It's worth to mention that another way that we can bring up any indicator we want is through the insert in the main menu, the insert tab. Here you can see we have all the indicators here, and also we can access to more advanced features like channels, like GAN tools, also the Fibonacci tools, and also we can have all the driving tools here like shapes and lines, which we have them on the toolbar as well. So using the insert can give you more space, can give you more choices to go through different indicators, and you can have them in a very classified order, like a trend, oscillator, volume, Bill Williams, and also you can always custom them, maybe by make a new set of the of your favorite indicators. So this is another way as well. So something is all right here. Okay, right click in the chart area of MT4. That brings up a context menu that provides a range of features for traders. First, you have you can see on the right, you can see on the chart area. If you right click on the chart area, you will see how it works. Excuse me, let me make sure if you can see my presentation properly. Let me just shortly check something here. Yeah. Okay. Here is my MT4. Okay, and uh, if you right click anywhere on your chart area, yeah, guys, excuse me, can you see my presentation or can you see my MT4 on my screen? I appreciate if you give me a heads up. So okay, I think it's fixed. Okay, sorry, I had a technical issue. Now my colleagues just fixed it. So let's back to our discussion. On the right click in the chart area of MT4, that brings up a context menu that provides a range of features for traders. First, we see a section for trading, place a new order directly from the chart or depth of market. Its shortcut key is Alt plus B. View depth information for the selected instrument, and also we have a one-click trading. Enable or disable the one-click trading feature, allowing you to execute trades with one click. I will show you how you can enable it through the tools menu later. And then you see we have a range of time frames that we can choose quickly between them to display different time frames from minutes to months. And then the template that we will discuss it, just leave it right now. And also you can display or hide volume data on the chart, or you can zoom in or zoom out, adjust the chart's magnification level. And then you have the saving options section. You can save as a picture, you can have a print preview, or you can print it or save it as a PDF or anything you need, maybe to report a client, or maybe you need to report your colleague, or somehow you might need a report on in a different, let's say, formats and sizes. So moving on to properties, which is accessed via right click and selected properties here down on the list, or pressing F8, you can customize the appearance of the charts. So here's how. First, you see we have two tabs here, the color and common. On color tab, you can change color schemes for the background, foreground, grid, and various elements of the chart like bar up, bar down, bull, and spur, candles, line, graphs, volume, and the ask line. Choose from predefined color schemes or create your own custom palette. And then, more importantly, we have a common tab. It gives us the opportunity to adjust general setting of our chart. First, we can choose between the chart type. select between bar chart, candlestick, or line chart. Then you can decide to use the OHLC prices or not. It displays the open, high, low, and close for each bar or candlestick. That can be very useful for some traders. Depends on your trading style and your trading strategy. And if you need these types of information, you can get access to them easily by adjusting the setting of your chart. And then show ask line, crucial for traders to see the current ask price directly on the chart, particularly if they are using tight stop loss orders or dealing with instruments that have wider spreads. So then you have the show period separators, mark the let's say starts and ends of trading sessions or days. Then we have the show grid, toggle the visibility of the chart grid, and then volumes. You can choose between all of these, uh, let's say, options here to customize your chart display. I would like to introduce something very useful here, the template menu, which is an essential tool for traders who wish to maintain consistency and efficiency in their technical analysis. By navigating to this menu, you can save templates to capture the current chart setup, including any indicators and drawing tools you have applied. This is a significant time saver as it allows you to quickly replicate this setup on different charts or instruments without having to add each component individually. So load template is the function that lets you apply any of your previously saved templates to the current chart. This is particularly useful when you are monitoring multiple instruments in which to apply consistent analysis methodology across them all. Let me show you on my MT4 here to see how it works. For example, you see we have a black background here and a bar chart here, and we have only the MACD oscillator here. If I go through the templates on the toolbar menu, I can just cross between the different templates, and this is what I saved earlier. Errante light, for example. When I click on this, you see I have a totally customized appearances for my chart, and moreover, I have my favorite technical analysis setup, which includes the moving averages, 34 period and 100 linear weighted moving averages, and the RSI and the MACD with the desired color and appearances, and everything is set to go. So it's a really time saver, and you can do that for your different trading strategies. For example, if you use the different moving averages, you need the different oscillators, you can just save them as the different templates. So later you can just move between your different trading setups, and that would be really helpful. So and through this menu, you have the option to remove your template, to load the new template, or to save a new template. And you can see the list of named templates such as ADX, Bollinger Bands, and custom ones like Errante Light or Errante Simple. The benefit of using the template feature is the ability to maintain uniformity in your analysis and strategy execution. It eliminates repetitive, time-consuming adjustments, enabling you to focus on interpreting the market and making decisions. The templates can represent different strategies, trading sessions, or analytical preferences, and the quick switch between them facilitates a more agile and responsive trading approach. Okay, now in our MT4 platform, the tools menu is the gateway to suite of functionalities that are essential for in-depth market analysis and strategy development. Uh, First of all, in this menu of tools, you can see new order, which also functions as F no short key. And this is your quick access point for opening a trade window to enter the market swiftly. And then the history center, F2, a vital, let's say, repository for historical price data. Here, you can download or import historical data for various time frames and instruments. This feature is especially valuable for backtesting trading strategies, maybe on the different technical analysis platforms, as it allows you to analyze how a strategy would have performed in the past. So then back to the menu, we have the global variables. Global variables are used for storing data between sessions, which can be useful for developing complex trading programs and keeping track of important parameters. Among the options in tools menu, we have the MetaCodes language editor. This integrated development environment lets you create and modify custom scripts, indicators, and expert advisors. It's a powerful tool for those who want to automate their trading or develop let's say, proprietary analytical tools. So we will get into this in our next week's webinar, of course, because that will be a lot of things to discuss when it comes to language editor and developing new indicator or writing a new script, or let's say expert advisor to automated your trading. And then we have the options. Access the setting menu to customize your trading experience, from changing chart properties to setting up notifications. Let me make sure if you can see this. Okay, we will get to options later. Focusing on the history center, professional traders use it extensively to acquire historical data for a selected currency pair or trading instrument. This data is fundamental for conducting thorough technical analysis over different periods and for the rigorous testing of algorithmic trading strategies, which is crucial for ensuring they are robust and reliable before applying them in live trading. Within the History Center, traders can see a detailed table of historical prices, including open, high, low, close, and volume for their selected instrument and time frame. This data can be edited or updated with new data to ensure accuracy. Moreover, traders can export this data for use in other analytical tools, as I mentioned, or import it from external sources for a more comprehensive analysis. Okay, let's get to the options menu, and let's start with the charts tab. This is a very practical, let's say, feature of tools in MT4. In the charts tab of the options window, you will find settings that adjust how information is displayed on your charts. Show trade levels. This feature, when enabled, displays entry and exit points for your trades directly on the chart. It's an invaluable tool for visually tracking your trading activity. Then use Alt key to drag trade levels. An ease of use function allowing you to quickly adjust stop loss and take profit levels with the Alt key. Offering precise control which modifying trade parameters. Then we have the show OHLC option. Check this to have the open, high, low, and close data displayed on the chart, providing quick reference points for each period. Show ASCII is the next one. It is essential for seeing the current asking price on the chart, which is particularly useful for understanding the spread and for precise placement of buy orders. Uh, Guys, if you enable any option here in the option through the tools menu, it means you can see it, you can have it all over your platform among different chart setups. And every time that you just let's say open a new chart, you see all of these features will be applied on that chart automatically. So in that case, you don't need to save the some common features like the showing ASCII line or everything in your template. So that's the advantage of using this menu. Then show period separators. You can make them all the default of your MT4 platform. Okay, move forward. You have save deleted charts to reopen. This feature is a safeguard allowing you to recover charts that may have been closed during your analysis. The lower section of the window allows you to define the max bars in history and max bars in chart. These settings control the amount of historical data the platform loads and displays, which is critical for performance optimization and for conducting a thorough backtesting of strategies. Setting these to high values allows for extensive historical analysis, but be mindful of your computer's memory capacity, as too much data can slow down the platform. And then, in the trade uh, section, let's take a look at the trade section. Yes, as you see here on my screen, you can define default setting for your trades, ensuring efficiency and consistency among all of your charts and trading instruments, and make these options the default option of your trading platform. Symbol by default set to automatic to have the platform select the symbol based on the charts or market watch window you have active when you initiate a new order. Last used carries over the last instrument you traded, while default lets you specify a preferred instrument. Uh, Please be informed that if you set any of these features wrongly, it might cause you a huge mistakes during your trade, because for example, symbol by default, if you leave it on automatic, it means every time that on each chart, if you open a new order on each chart, uh, it will be automatically the new order related to that instrument you have the chart open. Okay, so in that case, you can just make it automated, so you will be able to somehow avoid some mistakes. So, and then size by default. You can decide if you want to keep the last used lot size on new orders or set a default size. This helps in managing risk and exposure, especially if you frequently trade with the same volume. And then deviation by default doesn't work on Errante's platform because, let me first explain this feature. This setting allows you to control slippage by defining the number of pips you are willing to accept if the price changes from the time you sent the order to the time it is executed. Okay, but the thing is that as all Errante's positions are executed based on the market execution type, it means they are not instant execution. So this feature doesn't work for Errante. But if you see any broker that offers the instant market execution, it might work there. And then one-click trading. Checking this box enables the one-click trading feature. One-click trading feature is very useful. You see this box here just at the top left corner of my chart area. It shows the prices, bid and ask prices, the volume, sell and buy. It's a quick and ready to go setup for opening a position. So you can enable it if you you are a trader with a very quick trading style, like a scalper or something like this, or swing position trader or something like this. But if you afraid you might mistakenly click on the buy and sell, something like this, you should make sure that you will keep it always off. So this is a one-click trading. So checking this one enables a one-click trading feature, allowing you to place orders with a single click without additional confirmation. It's crucial for fast-paced markets or scalping strategies where speed is essential. Okay, by setting these defaults, you reduce the number of repetitive adjustments needed when placing trades, allowing for quicker, more efficient order execution. Now let's get to the last part of our webinar today, the new order window, which is where you make your market entry. At the top, the symbol drop-down menu allows you to select the currency pair or instrument you wish to trade, and below that, volume lets you set the size of your trade. It's based on the standard lot size. That said, based on that, for example, 0.20 means 2 micro lots. Sorry, 2 mini lots. Okay. So on the right, you will see two numbers: the bid price and the ask price. Here also on this tick chart here, we call it tick chart. Let's say the bid is a price at which you can sell the base currency, while the ask is what you can buy it for. The difference between these two prices is known as the spread, and the spread is somehow the cost of our trade. You have two main types of orders as well. As you see here, the type is market execution, which will fill your order at the best available current price. And also we have the pending order. Let me bring up my for here. Yes, as you see, we also have the pending orders where you can set the price at which you want your order to be executed. We will discuss it. When selling, let me get back to market execution. When selling, your position opens at the bid price. However, your take profit or TP and stop loss or SL will be triggered at the ask price due to the spread. So the reverse through for buy positions, they open at the ask price, but TP and SL trigger at the bid. It's really important to notice that's the reason we need to keep our ask line always on our chart, because we need to see the difference, we need to see the spread, because we need to set our take profit and a stop loss on the chart. For efficient trade management, MT4 allows you to adjust TP and stop loss by simply dragging the corresponding lines. Let's say, for example, here you see the GBP, JPY on the 1 minute chart. If I click on the sell by market, I'm gonna sell at the bid price, this blue price here that I can see here as well, and then my position has got opened, and then I can just click on the entry and drag it down to maybe put let's say a take profits level, and also I can drag it and put it up to set a stop loss level. And you see, and then on the terminal window, you can see my stop loss and TP among the other details of my position are just appeared here. So this is one thing to open a trade very fast, and it can be very useful if you are trading on a very short time frame, or you have a very fast-paced strategy like a scalping strategy or something like this. And then you see, in order to get this position closed, I need the ask price to trigger and to hit my take profit price, as you saw on this chart, which means you might see many times that a candle has passed your price level for take profit, but it has not been triggered because you need the ask price to hit the take profit to close your sell position. And we have the vice versa scenario for the buy positions. So it's really essential for efficient trade management. MT4 allows you to adjust TP and stop loss by simply dragging the corresponding lines on the chart. This drag and drop features provides a quick and visual way to manage your risk and potential reward directly from the chart. Okay, so as the last one, let's discuss the pending orders in MT4 that allows traders to enter the market at a price different from the current market price. Here are the 4 types. As you see here, if you choose the pending order type, this 4 types you will see: buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. Okay, what is buy limit? Place this order below the current market price if you expect the price to drop, hit your level, and then rise. So set the at price to your desired entry point, which should be below the current price. Sell limit, set this order above the current market price. When you anticipate the price will rise, touch your set level and then fall. So you want to sell at the better price. In that case, you need to choose the at price where you would like to enter the trade, which should be higher than the current price. And then we have the buy stop order. If you expect the price will continue to rise after breaking above a certain level, use a buy stop. For example, after breaking a resistance level, you can just place something like that, because place this order above the current market price and set the at price to your preferred entry above the current ask, means you want not the best price to buy, but you want to be more confident and you want to make sure that you are at the right side of the market. That's when you can use the buy stop. And on the other side, you have this sell stop. And this order is used when you believe the price will keep falling after passing below a certain level. Put this order below the current market price, entering the at price where you want your sell trade to be triggered. Again, it's not going to offer you the best price to sell in the market, but it can give you a level of confidence, because you can make sure that after, for example, breaking a very significant support level, the market gonna continue dropping for a while. So in that case, you can enter the market with more confidence. For all pending orders, ensure your at price is set with enough distance from the current market price to account for spreads and potential slippage. Because none of the market, when you work with pending orders in the ECN accounts, there is no guaranteed let's say limit levels. Okay, so choose the type based on your market analysis and the direction you expect prices to move. Setting these orders allows you to plan trades in advance without needing to monitor the markets continuously. This is an advantage of using, let's say, the pending orders. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as we draw this informative session to a close, we now open the floor to your questions. And this is your opportunity to seek clarity and clarity on any topics we have covered today, or any other inquiries you may have. So please don't hesitate to ask. Each question enriches our collective understanding for sure. Great. And with that, our webinar comes to an end. Thank you for joining us and for your insightful participation. We hope today's session has empowered you with valuable knowledge to use the MT4 platform with confidence and precision. Happy trading, and we look forward to seeing you at our next webinar to explore advanced features of MT4 platform. Thank you so much. Have a great evening.